So I'm going to put sugar into this cup. And then I'm going to put sulfuric acid. What does sulfuric start with? Sulfur. How many of you guys have ever smelled sulfur? Does it smell good or bad? It smells bad. And how many of you guys have ever been to like the hot springs? No? You guys know what hot springs are? Okay. When you go to certain locations, they have they have really, really hot water that comes out of the ground. And that really, really hot water smells really, really bad. You guys know what I'm talking about? Yes. And so, I'm going to leave this right here. That's sulfur. And if you guys have ever smelled sulfur, it's like rotten eggs kind of smell. And that's the kind of smell that's going to be coming out of here. Just to give you a little heads up. Okay. So I just put sugar in here. And now this is sulfuric acid. It's 18 molar sulfuric acid. If you get this on your clothes, it's going to burn a hole right through it. You guys ready? By the way, if something happens to me, I love you guys. Tell my kids. All right. Nothing's happening yet. Slight bit of bubbling. Let me move this out of the way. The bottom part, the sugar is getting dark. You guys could. I don't think you guys should stand up. The people in the back can stand up. Yeah. So the sugar, the white part of the sugar at the top, is starting to become black. Actually, I should lower this a little. Yeah, it kind of looks like a burnt marshmallow. Oh. I'm starting to see smoke. And it's starting to bubble up. And it's starting to turn black. It's starting to rise. Can you guys see that? Carson, can you see that? You go ahead and stand up if you guys can't see it. This hood is doing a pretty good job. I can't smell anything. All right, now, can everybody see what's happened to the sugar? In the back, can you guys all see? Okay, and it's still growing. It's creepy. Oh. Anybody want cake? I call this lava cake. Anybody want some lava cake? Okay, so what's happening here is that the sulfuric acid is reacting with the sugar. It's happening pretty slowly, yes. What happens if you want to try? Go ahead. Just kidding. I know the sulfuric acid reacted, so it's not sulfuric acid anymore. But I don't recommend you touch this, yes? Okay. Now, happens is, if you feel the side of this beaker is hot, like burning hot, okay? Like you don't want to touch this because, do you see me flinch right now? It's pretty hot, okay? There are two types of reactions when it comes to heat. This is called an exothermic reaction. What does exo mean? Outside, exits, right? Exotherm, thermostat, thermometer. What does therm mean? Therm. What does therm mean? Heat. It means heat. So exothermic reaction means it lets out heat. Make sense? So this is an exothermic reaction. It's letting out heat. Now I have another one. So I think that one's done.
Are we supposed to be ready now?
No, not yet. So this is calcium oxide. Calcium oxide. Brand new bottle of calcium oxide. Okay, so that's calcium oxide. And to this, I am going to add water. And it's going to explode on their face. So I'm going to add water to this. And then I'm going to stir it. I'm already starting to feel the heat on the beaker. It's starting to get warm. All right. Maybe I should wash this off. I don't know what kind of calcium is. Now, the beaker's already starting to get warm. So this is also called a what type of reaction? Exothermic reaction. Okay? What just happened here is a chemical change. It's a chemical reaction. There are two types of reactions, chemical and physical. Whoa, whoa. It's starting to bubble. I don't know if that's steam or smoke, but something's coming up.
Did it work?
Yep.
Did it explode?
It's on the second one right now. It's starting to bubble. It's starting to steam. That's steam, right? Not smoke. Oh.
Did you mix it really good?
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Usually if it makes it a little less water, you can take the acid out of there. Everyone's all nervous all of a sudden. I'm just going to take this. Can I use one of these sugars? You use hardly any.
So I'm going to have a pretty big mess to clean up in a little bit. If you guys can't see in the back, it's bubbling over like boiling spaghetti sauce. Right? When you boil spaghetti, it starts to splatter all over the place. That's what's happening with this. And I don't even want to touch it because it looks like it's pretty hot. Hopefully that's done. Hopefully I don't turn my back on it and it explodes. That would not be good. I'm going to get that out of there too. Close that. Alright, so both of those were exothermic reactions.